Ooh.
What do you call this?
Throwing knives.
Throwing knives. Okay, let's do it. Oh, fuck. Oh. Come on. This one. Oh, shit.
Okay, again, one more time.
Oh!
Nice. You actually got one.
Look,
It's for memories.
I thought I heard a snake behind me.
He's a lawyer, so you technically did.
I believe it, so... Oh. You're really good at that one. Yay! That's cool. So now I'm going to do this second time. Okay, so yan na yung setup namin. Final. May bed, may pillows, at saka mayroon kaming blanket. So, yun na. Close mo, babe. Close that. Thank you. So this is Verena's tent. It's huge. It's like a house. Look at that. Yeah, it's so big for a family. That's Walker tent, and that's ours, and that's Brendan's and Ali's tent.
The hills have eyes.
I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, you got it. R.I.P. Rip.
Here we go.
So dark. Yeah. Careful, just don't put your feet.
I am. Thank you, though. Okay, we're going back to our tent and go to sleep. It's already midnight.
Breakfast.
What is it, America?
Butter jelly sandwich. We made a bacon, scrambled egg, and hot chocolate. It's really good. One more. Oh, God. I did this one before. Come on.
Nice.
You're ready. That doesn't make any noise at all.
Go for it.
The trigger after you shouldered it.
Oh, shucks. Yeah, I'm doing it now. Nice.
All right. Rosalind shooting attempt 2. Please hold the gun with both hands. Do the butt thing against your shoulder
Finger
thing.
off the trigger. and
Get your finger off the trigger.
Finger off the trigger. Get the balloon tight against your body. Okay. Then pull the trigger.
Nice. That sounds like wood too.
You did it.
Nice. Good job.
It's so easy. I was scared.
Decided well enough to go hunting. I just assumed it was. I was like, okay, put up a little bit.
Nice.
I wanted to know how much you have in there that you can.
If it were me, I would have just been all like, "Rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta."
Is this gonna be louder?
Like, I know
Not
how to
muzzle
fix
loaders.
that.
Muzzle loaders never do.
Okay guys, we're done shooting.
It's the river. River.
River Smith in California. Look at this. Daming tao.
Close. I'm trying to aim for the spot below him, so I've been doing pretty good.
You're welcome. I want to get some rocks and see if I can't skip them.
Oh my gosh, no.
Correct. Trump money.
Still up, guys.
I'm gonna eat only the good
it's like
foods.
11 something, almost midnight, and we had a great night. We're so full. We eat a lot. Hi guys, good morning. So day 2. Just woke up.
last night. The one thing I forgot.
You should have told me. I would have let you use the Madoka Magica one I have. Madoka Magica pillow for the win.
Cannot remember. This is solo.
It is solo, isn't it, babe?